Fel i'n dweud ar y dechrau, y nod oedd cychwyn sgwrs efo Microsoft. A hefyd, mae cael Microsoft yma di denu cymaint o bobl eraill i'r stafell. Felly mae gen i colega, prifysgolion, sector breifat, Menter Mon, MSParc, i gyd o'n un lle. A felly, galla adnabod beth yw'r cyfleoedd a gweld sut mae mod datblygu'r sgwrs dros y misoedd nesaf yma fydd yr her.
So Microsoft's role in this event, we had loads of discussions between the two sort of organisations and said, what's the most valuable thing we can do? It's awesome to rock up, talk about all our tech and then leave and never come back. Like, unfortunately, relationships are built and communities are built when support is offered. So one thing we have a bit of a mantra in our team, help first, sell last. And I love that because the technical community is all about that. Like, people just want to build cool tech and they're looking for advice and help from someone who might already have done something in that space. So I feel like this event is that in some senses, that it's we want to come here, we will share some of the stuff we have on offer, we will share some of the insights that we've seen from other places, but also the conversation points that have been happening are one of the most valuable parts. Like, hearing back what people are looking for, how we can help. We think we can help in a certain way, but that might not always be right for this region or for a remote area or something like that. So it's been really interesting to hear from people what they're working on. Is there any pain points there? What are they wanting to collaborate on? Stuff like that. So hopefully after this, the great conversations can lead into small projects that is led by both the community and then partnering with Microsoft.
Na, mi oedd y digwyddiad bore yma, wirioneddol fuddiol o'n i'n meddwl, oedd yn cael ei wneud, oedd yn dysgu lot am, yn sicr beth sydd wedi bod yn cael ei wneud yn New Zealand o'r hefyd, a dwi'n meddwl bod yna gyfleoedd i'r ardal yma wneud rhywbeth iawn a bod o fydd i'r gymuned amaethyddol hefyd, defnyddio technoleg lle, ond yn ehangach hefyd. Mae'r holl busnes cwmwl yma, fel o'n dweud, mae'r cwmwl ar gael i bobl yma, fatha mae o'n unrhyw fan trwy'r byd i gyd. So, so'n byd yn dal ni'n ôl, a da ni'n byw mewn lle hyfryd o'r byd, so so'n rheswm i ni beidio ddim ond tas o hynny a mynd i defnyddio technoleg drwy'r arall.
I enjoyed driving up here, right? I did. I mean, I live in Cardiff, but every time I come up here, I love it. First time I've been to this building, and how can you fail to not be impressed? The event has been fantastic. It's like all events I go to. You come up with an agenda and an expectation, but you meet people who have got all sorts of different challenges and take you off in all directions. And what I found, I mean, we arrived yesterday at 7 o'clock in the morning. We left at 9:30 last night, and that's because you kicked us out. But there were still people, more information, and then we were back in at 8 o'clock this morning, and there were people waiting to have coffee with us. How can you not embrace that? How can you not be excited by that? So, very impressed with the venue, very impressed with the event, and of course, very impressed with the scenery.